The production of the swivel base of GinTech Precision Universal Vise adopts mehanite FCD material for the base, and has been heat-treated with strict standards. Besides, the structure of universal swivel vise's base and seat units are designed in curved profiles. With the precisely ground inner and outer diameters, the processing angles could be tilted from 0 degrees to 60 degrees. Supported with the vices, there is totally 360-degree rotational availability. Together with the bases, the machine can achieve multi-angle functionalities. The materials of the vices are steels that have been heat-treated, and can be applied to the processing procedures of milling machines and surface grinders, delivering high accuracy. Furthermore, this can be applied to the platform table of three-dimensional inspection devices, making the inspection process easier for on-site operators.